Need to lose weight fast? Maybe you have got a wedding, a big event coming up, or you're just tired of waiting months to see the results. A brand new 2025 meta-analysis with over 6,500 participants just revealed a fasting method that burns fat faster than classic intermittent fasting and even traditional diets. Alternate day fasting, eating one day and fasting the next, delivered greater fat loss, dramatic health improvements, and did it in less time. In this video I will show you why it works, how to start and how to see results as early as week 1. If you thought 16/8 was a peak of intermittent fasting, this is going to open your eyes. Alternate day fasting or fasting every other day is a simple concept. One day you eat normally, the next day you either don't eat at all or stick to very low calorie intake. This alternating pattern creates a much sharper contrast for your body than the usual 16/8, and that's exactly why it works so fast on fasting days. On fasting days, insulin drops to levels that a regular 16/8 schedule rarely ever reaches. That opens the door to deep fat burning and kick in the process like autophagy, where your cells clean up damaged parts and your body taps directly into fat stores. According to brand new 2025 meta-analysis of 99 clinical trials with over 6,500 participants, average weight loss with ADF was about 2.8 pounds higher compared to both classic intermittent fasting and the traditional calorie restriction. It also improved cholesterol, lowered inflammation markers, and trimmed waist circumference. In other words, ADF is like turbo version of intermittent fasting. It gives your body more time in the fat burning and cells repair mode, while still letting you eat every other day, so it doesn't feel like an endless marathon of fasting. The best thing about alternate day fasting is you don't need special products or complicated programs. You can set it up with what you already have at home. You just need the right steps. Start by picking 3 fasting days each week, for example Monday, Wednesday and Friday. On those days you either go with 0 calories or keep it very low, around 500 to 600 calories from light soaps, veggies and protein. On other days, eat normally but stick to clean whole foods. Focus on protein, healthy fats and veggies to support recovery and protect your muscle. If you never fasted before, stop easier. Set your fasting days at 100 to 1000 calories and gradually bring them down. The goal isn't the crash, it's so build consistency and keep your energy. Alternate day fasting is an amazing way to kickstart fat loss. Most studies show the biggest result in the first 1 to 3 months. It can be done long term, but after reaching their goal, many people switch to the easier routine like 16/8 or 5/2 that's more sustainable for everyday life. And don't forget electrolytes. A glass of water with pinch of sea or Himalayan salt in the morning can save you from head itches and fatigue. Keep it simple. Every other day a light fast, the rest clean eating. In just few weeks you will see the difference in the both weight and energy. Now let's go over a few simple tweaks that can make your alternate day fasting results skyrocket even faster. On your fasting days, do a short brisk walk or light movement in the morning while fasted. Just 15-20 minutes and your body flips into fat burning mode like you hit the turbo button. Start every morning with a glass of water and pinch of sea or Himalayan salt. It keeps your electrolytes balanced, helps prevent heat dishes and keeps your body running smoothly in the fasting mood without the crash. On your eating days, plan your meals ahead and load up on the quality proteins and healthy fats. That tells your body loud and clear. Protect muscle and burn fat. Alternate day fasting might be the fastest way to kickstart fat loss, and the new science backs it up. Give it 1 month and watch what it does to your weight and energy. Share this video with someone who needs the quick results and hit subscribe so you don't miss more ways to turn intermittent fasting into your secret weapon. And see ya in the next video.